Hello everyone. Now consider in last lecture we have just take a introductory part of second method, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. We have just see this formula. Okay. Now we have to see the examples. Okay. Number 1. First example, marks secured by recruits in the selection test. There is a selection test where and proficiency test. There are two tests given by these 9 students or people, and the marks, these are the serial number, is nothing to do with our calculation. These are just nominal purpose, and marks are given, marks x. This is x, this is x itself is given in the example itself, that first selection test will be considered as x, and proficiency test, marks in the proficiency test is nothing but y. Okay, these are the given marks. Okay, now these are the marks are given, therefore we have to, for now question is calculate rank correlation coefficient. Okay, rank is very important word here, because if correlation coefficient is there, then it can be a Karl Pearson's also. Okay, if rank is there, this means this is a second method, because rank is important here. Now consider how to solve it. These are x values. Okay, these are y values as it is put in the column. Now see, what is the formula for rank correlation coefficient? Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is rho. Okay, we have to use this formula. In this formula there is only one unknown term, that is d, summation d square. Okay, rest of the 6 is number, n is also given. There are total, how many observations are there? 9 observations. Okay, therefore n is 9, n square minus 1 is, it is all given thing. Only d square, that is the difference between rank. What is the d means? Difference between what? Not x and y difference. It is a difference between rank of x and rank of y. That's why in this particular example rank is important. In earlier Karl Pearson's examples, rank are not at all important. Okay, now here, what is the rank in x column? Okay, rank in y column, how to get it? Now first see, in every mark is different obviously. Okay, we have to rank them according to their marks. What is the highest mark here? 24. Okay, that's why we assign to this observation rank as 1, first number. Okay, likewise this is the second number, this is the third number. Okay, this is the fourth number, this is the fifth number, this is sixth number, this one seventh number, eighth number, and last one lowest mark is 10th number. Understand? This is called the ranking of marks. We generally do it. Okay, this is called rank factor of x. Similarly, do it repeat it for y also. Give the rank. You have to very keenly observe all these values. Okay, it takes times. Okay, now difference. Rest of the terms are mechanical only. D is nothing but difference between these two ranks. Is nothing but x minus y. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 2, 6, and so on. Addition, for every example the difference addition is 0. Okay, now what we need? D square, summation of d square. Therefore do one more column, d square. 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4, 6 square is 36, and so on. Addition is, this addition we need, that is 72. This is the only number we need. Okay, now put this square value here, 72, and rest of the given value. Answer is 0.4. Okay, it's very simple method. Just ranking, to find the ranking and put it in the column is important. Okay, these are some homeworks, and I have given answers also. These are 3 homeworks, just you have to solve. For total 4 homeworks are given. Okay, and this is the first example. Now consider the second example. This in notes I have taken second example at first, but you go by the number only. Okay, this is the second example. 10 competitors, there are 10 observations in a beauty contest, are ranked by, see here, ranked by. Okay, and in this example, marks secured. In this particular example, marks are given, ranks are not given. Therefore, in particular example, we need to do one more column this for rank. Okay, in this example, okay, read the question carefully. In this particular example, ranked by means these are the ranks, not marks. That's why for particular this example, we don't need to calculate rank. Okay, now rank given by 3 judges in the following order. Judge 1, judge 2, judge 3 given this rank to 10 participants. Okay, judge 1, first judge give first participant as 1 rank, second judge give participant rank, first participant 3 rank, third judge give 6th rank for the first participant, likewise the 10 rest of the 10 participant. Understood? It's like in the beauty constant how we judge the how we see the judgment of the judge. Okay, it's the same like this only. Okay, every judge has a different view, that's why these are numbers are different for each observation. Okay, let it be. This is a given data itself. What we have to use, rank correlation coefficient. This formula we have to use to determine which pair of judge has nearest approach to common test of beauty. Okay, what we have to give our comment from our answers, we have to find which 2 judges are equal test of beauty, means equal marks. Okay, for observing these two all these marks we cannot guess. Actually, we can't at all guess the common taste of beauty. Okay, for that this row is very useful. Now consider, see, in earlier example there are 2 rows only, 2 columns only. Okay, or 2 observations only, x and y. In this there are 3 rows, therefore we have to find difference between 3 of them. Okay, let us see how. Number of observation is 10. Now consider this. Let R1 be the first first judge rank, R2 is second judge ranks, R3 is third judge rank. Okay, now first these are how we define difference. These are 3 only. If there are 2 observation, we can define difference only D, difference between these 2. If 3 observations, 3 columns are there, we have to find first and second difference, second and third difference, and first and last difference. Okay, we have to we need to do 3 columns. Okay, first D12, 1 means first minus second, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 6 minus 5 plus 6 minus 5 is plus 1. Okay, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 10 minus this 4 is 6, 3 minus 7 minus 4, and so on. Obviously addition of all these column are 0. Okay, now D13, D12 finish, D13 is nothing but first minus third, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 6 minus 4 2, and so on, add this 0. Now D23 means second and third, difference between second and third, 3 minus 6 this, 5 minus 4 1, and so on. addition is 0. Now we need d square value in the formula. That's why 3 more columns should be there. Its square, d1 2 square, d1 3 square, d2 3 square. Add all these numbers, we get summation d1 2 square, summation d, sum of all this column. Okay, now we have to calculate Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. There are 3 answers because three differences are there. Therefore, for corresponding d12, we do not row 1 2 correlation coefficient. Okay, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, which is equal to 1 minus 6. Rest of the term as it is, just replace d by d12. Suffix are same here. Okay. Now put all these values. d12 square sum is 200 here. The rest of the term as it is. Answer is this, minus 0.2127. Similarly, calculate row 1 3. Answer is this. And row 2 3. Answer is this. And this is the calculated answer. What we have to find out? Common. If there is a nearest common test, then rank must be obviously rank or coefficient or correlation must be strong, means it must be maximum. What is the maximum value above all threes? Between these three is this one, 0.6363. That's why between judge 1 first and third judge have same taste of beauty. This will be our last sentence of answer. Okay, if 3 are there, if rank are given, we don't need to calculate ranks. Okay, just calculate this only. Okay. Now these are some homeworks here. First, there are total 4 homeworks. Okay, now consider the next point, repeated ranks. If rank get repeat, for example, if in this marks, if first here, if first observation have same marks in here, suppose this is first student, second student, third student. If first and second student secure suppose same marks, 10 and 10. Okay, suppose fourth and fifth student get the same marks. In particular that case, what we have to do, we need to calculate rank correlation coefficient in the different manner. All formulas gets changed. Okay, now consider how it is. If here some theory are there behind that formula. If second and third rank is same or are same, then we have to give rank to this second and third as average mark. That means second rank, that is 2, plus they add this 2 divided by 2 means average is equal to 2.5. We have to give 2.5 number to each observation. Okay, rank. If 5th, 6th, 7th rank are same, then take average of 5, 6, 7, that is 6. Okay, will be the common rank. And then correlation coefficient of this formula gets totally changed. Formula becomes this. Rho is equal to 1 minus, this is 6 as it is, summation d square as it is. This is the addition term attached to this numerator. 1 upon 12 m into m square minus 1. Here also same, 1 upon 12 m minus m square minus 1 plus dot dot and so on. How many times we add this number? How many times the number gets repeat? Okay, if one number get repeat, we need only one number, this one only, close bracket here. If 2 numbers get repeat, then we need this 2. If 3 number get repeat, then we add one more this same term. This is the formula. Rest of this term as it is. Okay, where m stands for number of items, number of times the item get repeated, and adjust the above factor as the how many times the number get repeated. Okay, now consider the example. Okay, find rank correlation coefficient. Question is same. These are the given data. X values is this, y values are this. Now if you observe these x values, 64 64 64 is repeated thrice. 3 times repeated. Okay, then we can't give number to all of them as same. Okay, for that this is the theory. Now consider the solution. Suppose x values are given, y values are given, keep it as it is. Now see how to give rank. These are the marks, these are not rank. Okay, that's why if marks are given, we have to give rank. Okay, now here first number, maximum mark of x is 80, and nobody gets 80 again, that's why it is a totally first rank. Then on second and third 75 get repeat. Okay, therefore for second and third just take an average of 2 plus 3 by 2 is 2.5. Therefore for this mark we rank it as 2.5. For this mark we rank it as 2.5. And the next rank we have to calculate from 2 plus 3. 3 is the next number, that is fourth. Okay, now this is the fourth number 68. This is the here. Okay, this is the fourth number. And now sixth number will be the lowest than 68. There are three numbers which are same, lowest than 68, that is 64, 64, 64. You can go on underline this term. 64 repeated 3 times, just double underline. 75 repeated 2 times, just make it circle like this, you can make it. Okay, 64, 64, 64 are repeated 3 times for fifth here, for fifth, sixth and seventh position or rank. Therefore we take average of these three. Average of 5, 6, 7 is 6 obviously. Therefore for us, for these three numbers we have to give 6 common rank. Therefore for 64 it is 6, here also 6 obviously, here also 6. What will be the next rank? Not 7. Next rank will be after 7, that is 8. 8th rank. Okay, now this is the 8th rank. No any other 55 is repeated. And last, this will be the 9th, lowest number, that is 9th mark. Understood? Repeat the same procedure for y. In y only one number get repeat twice, 68 for third and fourth position. Therefore 3 plus 4 divided by 5, 3.5 give number to each observation. Okay, now these are the rank, these are the rank. Difference, rest of the term as it is, rest of the calculations columns as it is, d square as it is. Here are this explanation. Now how to put all these numbers in formula, let us see. Here rho is nothing but 1 minus 6 as it is divided by n square minus 1 as it is, summation d square, d is this, summation is 672. Now this is a formula. Now here 3 number gets totality. In totality there are 3 times repetitions are there, therefore we add 3 times this number, same number. Okay, for this how many times in first x or any, take any order. Here twice repeated, therefore we take m is equal to 2 here. Here again twice repeated, therefore we get 2 here again. And here thrice repeated, therefore we take m is equal to 3. Okay, like this you have to go on adding how many times the particular numbers get repeated. Okay, in this particular example only 3 times the numbers are get repeated, that's why here only add this 3 times only, corresponding twice, thrice, twice and all. Okay, I put all these numbers in the calculation, we get the answer this. Okay, I hope you understood all these things. Now these are some homeworks, this one and this one. Okay, thank you.